Hey guys, just a quick little video. Got a 2011 Holden Cruze, replacing the Sunvisor. It's missing the mirror, missing the clip from it, and just needs to be replaced. So I can't find any videos on YouTube about replacing these, so just thought I'd do a quick little video on it, and yeah, show you guys how to do it if you need to do one on yours. So as you can see, it's pretty knackered. It's missing the clip. It's missing obviously the flap and the mirror, so got a new one to replace it. So up here you've got three, one under there, hex screws, and you've got two clips, one there and one there, and then up in here you've got two more clips. So I've taken those two ones and the three screws out, and then you just have to pull these ones, and then she should just fall out like that. So now this is the bit trickier part. Well, not this bit. That wire just comes out from in there, and then the rest of the wire goes up there. You can't actually, I've tried to undo that, but I can't. So you've got to get at the plug that's up in there. So see if I can show you guys how to do that. So with this bit here, this wire goes back through the roof. So you've just got to kind of just pull at it. And then because my headliner's pulled down a little bit, you can just pull this wire and then expose this little plug. And then all you can do is flip that over and Bob's your uncle. So there you go, just unclip that little clip there and then comes out. That's it. That's how to remove it.